Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's Candle of the Week episode, guys, I'm gonna make a candle inspired in one of the most beautiful scents that I smell from scentmemorysfragrance.com. Okay guys, let me show it to you right now. It's called Citrus Bitters, guys. I'm gonna give you my description, guys, for this beautiful scent, okay? Okay, imagine a luxurious hand-poured candle that combines the invigorating and zesty notes of mandarin, lime, and grapefruit with the tangy, earthy aroma of rhubarb. The heart of the candle reveals a delicate bouquet of roses intertwined with the airy, fresh scent of adelites. As the candle burns, the warm, rich base notes of sandalwood, vanilla, and patchouli emerge, creating a harmonious and sophisticated blend that fills the room with an enchanting and uplifting atmosphere, guys. I couldn't say it even more better, okay, guys? This has the most beautiful citrus smell. I cannot stop smelling it, guys. Ever since I reviewed this scent on my last review video with this scent, guys, I'm in love with it and I couldn't wait to make a candle of the week using this beautiful scent, okay, guys? Now, this scent is calling for something powerful, something bright, something that brings energy to the scent itself. So I decided to use this beautiful vessel from 1617, guys. The name of this vessel is Daffodil Kaleidoscope Candle, okay? And now they are on the final sale, so now it's time to get it. Lightly yellow translucent glass. Our Daffodil Kaleidoscope holds 13 ounces of wax, and we recommend that you begin week testing with a double CDN number 3. That's the week configuration that we're gonna be doing today, okay? See, guys, like I always say, guys, they only recommend to use the CDN number 3 as you begin your testing. It all depends on the wax that you use and the fragrance oil, guys. So I don't know whether or not this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot, okay, guys? I'm so excited about this. Okay, so we have in here the vessel, 2 CDN number 3 wicks, making worksheet to take all the notes. We're gonna be needing a scale for the fragrance oil, another scale for the wax, alcohol, paper towels, and a calculator. Okay, guys, so let me just start getting ready and I'll be right back. Yeah! Okay, guys, welcome back. And I put my handy gloves because you know me. So I already cleaned this with alcohol, guys, and with a paper towel, guys. Now I'm gonna be wicking this. Again, I'm gonna be using a double CDN number 3 with configuration. This is the most tedious step that I find making candles. That's why I wanna do this, you know, at the beginning. Okay, so now we need to work on the numbers, okay, guys? It's truly amazing. Citrus Bitters is gonna be the name of the candle. I'm gonna be using number 7 wax. And the amount of the total fill, remember, it says in there is 13 ounces total fill. Okay, the fragrance is Citrus Bitters, okay, from Scent Memory Fragrance. Guys, I highly recommend for you to go and take a look at them. They have amazing scents, guys, and they're so beautiful. The website is great. It has this beautiful, like, old-fashioned type of art, you know, that you're gonna love. It goes great with this type of vibe, okay? The wick configuration is gonna be double CDN number 3 and Kaleidoscope Daffodil from 1617. Okay, I'm gonna heat the wax to 220, add the fragrance oil at 210, and pour between 180 and 185. Remember, you have to do that so the wick stickers will not come up, okay? So now we need to figure out numbers, guys, okay? So if we have, and I know that I want 10% for this candle, okay? 10% fragrance load. Okay, so do 13 times 0.10, that's gonna give you 10%, equals 1.3 ounces of fragrance oil, okay? For 10%. Now, we do the total fill, which is 13 ounces minus 1.3, it gives us 11.7, okay? So it's 11.7 ounces of wax and 1.3 ounces of fragrance oil that give us a total fill of 13 ounces, okay, guys? So you see, it's very easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna measure the oil. So here we have the magic potion. You look at how yellow it is, guys. Look how thick it is. It smells intoxicating. It's so beautiful, so full of energy, so vibrant, you know? It's truly a work of art. Whoever came up with that mix deserves an award, okay? Now for the wax, we're gonna need 11.7 ounces of wax. And like I told you guys, I store my wax in a container like this. It's the easiest way for you to. So, okay, so we need 11.7. So let me just put a chunk of wax. Let me see how much this is. Oh, almost there, 11.3, 11.7. Yes, okay, let me just close this. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 6 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so as I wait for the wax to come to heat, guys, I wanna show you because I wanna add something extra to the top of the candle. After it solidifies, guys, I'm gonna be adding this Lumen Gold gold leaf to the top, guys. I think this is gonna give you such a touch of beauty. So as you can see, guys, these are edible gold. It comes in very thin sheets, okay? I'm gonna take one sheet out so you can see. Now, this comes with this kind of applicator, guys. This is made of wood. Yes! And I'm gonna put this on top of the candle after it solidifies, guys. So this is gonna make a very special citrus bitters candle, okay, guys? Yeah! Okay, let's see how warm the wax is. So remember, safety first. Okay, it's 206. I need to go back because it's not warm enough. Okay, it's 224, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna add the fragrance oil. I'm gonna let it hang for a few seconds because I want the two of them to get to know each other better, you know, because the minute that I introduce these guys, this is gonna go low very fast. Okay, so let's see how warm this is now after I added the fragrance oil. So it went to 214, you see? So now I'm gonna introduce the spatula and start mixing. And you know, with number 7 wax, you only need to mix for 20 seconds. Okay, so let's see how cold this got to 209, you see? So after I mix for 20 seconds, it needs to be poured between 180 and 185. So let me just move this off the table so the stainless steel from the table grabs the heat off from the Pyrex container. Guys, the smell is amazing, guys. I wish you could be here. Oh my God. I want every drop to be there, guys, because this is amazing. You're gonna love this, guys, for the summertime. You know what I like it for the summer even better, guys, because it's the pure essence of summer. It's so energetic. It's not sweet. It's just it's more mature, more adult, more sophisticated, more like I don't know. It's classier for me. You know, it's just like it's unique. It's truly, truly, truly unique. You know, you can use this also as a good mixer for any other scents that you want to mix, you know, for summer or for any kind of, I think this will go great also with a floral, you know, so just experiment, you know, it's amount of blends that you can do with these oils, guys, it's infinite, you know, just it all depends what you like, you know, depending on the ratios that you want to use, but it's up to you, you know, to make your own blend, your own signature blend. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna keep stirring this and I come back when this comes to temperature, okay? Yeah! Okay, guys, let's see how warm it is. Okay, it's 178. It's perfect for... Oh my God, the color is glorious. It's like the sun is going inside this candle, guys. It's beautiful, luxurious. Once I put a gold touch on top, it's gonna be epic. Put it to the side. Okay, let me just get this straight. But this channel is for me to show you what cannot happen, guys. And look at what happened, guys. The wick came off, okay? So, and I need to redo this candle again. Let me see if the other one stays. Yeah, the other one is staying. So this wick came off, okay, guys? So I'm gonna have to redo the candle and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, guys. I took out the other wick also. So I'm gonna take out the extra wax from here. I put the candle mix in here to keep it aside, to keep it warm. So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna get all the wax out of here. I'm gonna prep the vessel again and I'm gonna make the candle again, okay? This is what happens. But you know what? No big deal. So now I'm gonna be using this contraption that I made using two skewers, guys. So I put it apart. I have a video on this, guys, so look on my channel. It's very easy. Just take two skewers and then just put rubber bands on the end and this is gonna secure that, okay, guys? So this is secure there. It's not gonna go anywhere. Perfect. So the candle is perfect now. Again, let's try this again. I'm gonna put this in the microwave because this has cooled down to 133. I wanna get it back to 180. And I'm gonna put a little bit more wax because some of the wax got stuck to the glass. A tiny bit more just to compensate for that loss. So I'm just gonna do it by eye, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? And I'm gonna put it for 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, the temperature is 189. I'm gonna stir to make sure that these 2 pieces of wax that I put in there get mixed up together very well. You don't have to worry about going higher, guys, because already oil and the wax are already blended, so you don't have to go up to 200 again. It doesn't matter, guys, because you already completed that part of the process, okay? All I want to do now is just melt these 2 tiny little pieces of wax that I added to compensate for the wax that I lost while I was cleaning the vessel. Okay, so I'm gonna put this again and make sure that the wicks are in perfect position because this is what happens. They were not centered properly and I tried to move them and that's when I pulled out the wick, okay? So let's put this now. Beautiful citrus bitters. Okay, here we go. Perfection. Okay, guys, and it took 2 tries, but you know what? It happens to all of us, okay, guys? So I'm gonna wait for this to solidify, guys. I'll be right back to add the final touch, okay? Yes! Okay, guys, welcome back. Here's the solidified candle. It's not 100% solidified, guys, but I want to add the gold leaf, guys, so that I can show you how I do it. Okay, so here is the final. The CT is amazing, guys. Number 7 wax is the best ever. Okay, so this is the beautiful citrus candle, guys. I'm gonna add the gold leaf. Okay, now this is gonna be very tricky, guys. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see the whole process. So it comes in sheets like this. It's very delicate, guys. So I'm just gonna try to open up. This crumbles very easily, guys. So let's see how this goes. So guys, I'm gonna take a brush, take the brush, and then push it in the candle. Look at how beautiful, guys. Yes! That gives it such a beautiful touch. You have to be very careful, guys, because the gold leaf is very delicate. It can go airborne, and it also has a lot of, it's very sensitive to ions, you know, to the electricity on the air. So, you know, what I do is I like to take the finger and I just like to press it down. Beautiful. So in this way, it gets in full contact with the wax. Okay, and guys, look how beautiful this is. And you know what I love about this, guys, about using gold leaf? You don't have to worry about clogging the wick, guys, because this is metal, this is gold, this will never clog the wick. This just sinks down to the bottom of the candle, guys, and that's all it does, but it does not interfere on the burn, okay, guys? So look at how beautiful it is, the citrus bitters candle. Yeah! Okay, guys, let's do a quick recap of what we accomplished today on Candle of the Week with Michael. Okay, so this candle was inspired in this beautiful scent, citrus bitters, from scentmemory.com. Okay, I decided to use this beautiful vessel, the kaleidoscope from 1617, guys, on this beautiful daffodil color. And as you can see, guys, I added gold, real gold, to the top of the candle. Yeah, this is giving me luxurious vibes, you know, citrus at its best. You know, this is very bougie, very, I don't know, very regular citrus candle, guys. This one goes like a step above, you know. It's very simple, very powerful, very pristine scent. Okay, guys, so I want to thank scentmemoryfragrance.com for sending me the beautiful oils. And I just want to thank you all, guys, for coming in today to support me. And don't forget to check my website, candleromance.shop, so you can shop all my beautiful candles, guys. Thank you for coming in today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yes! Yes!